Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Can-Am Maverick Trail. We've just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to do a little walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. The part number for the kit is 8103. All right, let's get started. So the Ryco kit does come with three 3/4 inch amber LEDs. These do have daytime running lights, which you can deactivate those if you'd like, but anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole on the machine, you can install them. Just be careful to make sure there's nothing on the backside that you're drilling through and giving you enough room to route your wiring. How does the kit work? Just like your car. Down will be left. You do have the indicator arrows up on your stock dash. We love how that ties into the stock gauge cluster there, and you can see the lights flashing. This is a great location to mount the lights because you've got good visibility from the front and from the side. The Ryco kit also ties into the stock tail lights, utilizing all of those bright LEDs on the back. Up will be right, same functionality as left, of course. You do have the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. And I kicked the headlights on so you could see how it looks with the headlights. And around the back. Very nice. The Ryco kit also comes with the license plate mounting hardware, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. And back up here to deactivate the 4-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. Loud horn is integrated into the end of the lever. Very nice looking kit, looks factory once installed. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll also supply a link to our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports, in the description below, where you can go on and place your order online. Have a great day, everybody.